Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for sharing them to those who share and also to those who watch ama ads. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is my first time trying to do a review Thando's Temple since I've watched episode 1, I've watched episode 2 not 3. Okay, so ngizozama ukwenza a review. I just want to touch on things that I've seen, even though makhona ngikushaya sengamane ngiqhamuke ngenze enye i-video, you know what I mean. But kule particular review I think ngizovele ngitouch on whatever that I've watched, because isikhathi sokwabuka ama episodes wonke I don't have it, but today ngiyengaba naso isikhathi sokuthi ngiwabuke wonke ke lawo ma episodes from 1 to 3. Siyazi ukuthi this is a season 8 and sagcina season 7 Luphele Thando's Temple Umusa Mseleku eyohlangana ke no wife number 5 esambona njengama grade sangabona ke ukuthi ubani kanjani, sangabona face sabona ke nje the dress that she was wearing nesandla nje esavela kancane sangaboniswa lutho sasala sihloko sitshela ukuthi yo uzanini ke u season 8 izokwazi ukubona ukuthi ubani lo wife number 5 kababa Umusa Mseleku and all that. Finally sambona ke no season 8 bengaqala ke kodwa kukhona kade sebesifezela ukuthi kuzokwenzekana ku season 8 abakwazi ukubonela izinto phambili. Basibonisa ke usisi wavela just before ama episode aka season 8 eqala, wavela ke uma khwela sazwane igama lakhe nesibongo sakhe into ikanjalo nokuthi intombazane nje sasencane yakakhwela futhi ke una 20, did you say 24, abanye baze bakhuluma nangokuthi phela uncane kuno Sinem Mseleku. So nguyena ke umama omncane ka Sinem Mseleku into ikanjalo bafethu simbonile uma khwela kufika kwakhe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mangithi ngiyabuka ke wonke lama episodes ka season 8 iqale nje lapho Umusa Mseleku ke esiyohlangana naye uma khwela sesimbona ke manje full body and everything ehlangabezana naye ke laphana ade bephumile beyodla khona into kanjalo. Into emangaza abaningi engizobantu bekhuluma ngayo ukuthi engathi nje ngomuntu abaqala ukuhlangana lo what is going on, everyone is like ikhona into engahlangani kahle. Is it because mhlambe ugirl ngumuntu nje abamcelile asithi mhlambe abamqashile ukuthi iza uzodlala indima ka wife number 5 noma engekho wife number 5 khona phela bayakhuluma abantu bathi ayi lo sisi ngathi nje umuntu oqashiwe uyasebenza nje la wife number 5 angempela akekho amanga lawa. Kukhona ababeliever bathi no siphala sika baba Umusa Mseleku nje intombi sasencane uzitholele ke intombazanyana esencane. Okay, kunala esasivezela khona before sibona ke umayeni ethi awuphume ekhehleni phume ekhehleni uyosifunela nje ontanga bakho into kanjalo bafethu somsasemncane umntwana abantu bithi hawu Umusa Mseleku umsaphi umntwana into ezikanjalo. So sisasambona umakhwela ke noma emncane nomzimba wakhe awusho ukuthi she is young, une body unama looks muhle nje engakusho ukuthi angeke sibabaze sithi muhle ukudlula amakhosikazi. Cha, muhle nje phela bahle bonke amakhosikazi kababa Umusa Mseleku. Ngabheka umamkhulu macele ubheke nje umayeni, come on ubheke umangwabo ubheke umakhumalo bonke bahle. So umakhwela it's not like singababaza sithi nje ugirl naye muhle ukufana nabanye phela nje ukuthi sasemncane kukhona bebebabaza ukuthi phela umakhumalo she was engathi yena umamthandiwa because enguyina futhi omncane. Khumbula ukuthi umakhumalo ku number 3 kodwa ke ngokweminyaka yokuzala nguyo omncane kunomangwabe kodwa washadwa yena uqala umangwabe waba una wife number 4. So kukhona bathi umakhwela kufika kwakhe nje kunyakazisa umakhumalo. Ngiyambona nje ushenshile ugirl akayena umakhumalo lo esimjwayele man. Ikhona nje into engathi akayijabulela umakhe angazi. For mina nje mbona bengajabulile bonke man, and the fact that ngathi ke mangibuka ama episode ungathi umayeni akekho at this particular point ngathi usahlala ngakubo. Khona la ngibone khona hambe bamema for reading baba Umusa Mseleku, that was episode 2 I think. Umayeni ke engakubo laba abanye uhambe wabathatha ngemoto ukubesa kuphi edineni, and then umayeni she had to come ngoba phela yena usekhaya Ntontoni. I was like, did she take a break? You know, sometimes yazi muphila no baba Umusa Mseleku uyayidinga nje i-break. Asikhulumeni nje iqiniso bayidinga nje i-break abantwana babantu. There is a lot that is happening. Kukhona bathi umakhwela uzoyimela yonke lento ugirl. Kukhona phela bathi hayi uyasebenza lo uqashiwe nje uzoyimela yonke le nje ngoba hayi ukuthi wife number 5 angempela amanga. This is just acting. Yonke lento ka number 5 is scripted nje ayikho angazi bafethu sibone nje behlangana ke beyodla dinner ubaba uMzamseleko ixoxisana naye emtshela ke ngokuthi what to expect kaMseleko nokuthi nje phela ngacabanga ukuthi sezoba special kunabanye ekhanya ugele engathi ayi uyakwamukela konke kusho ubaba uMzamseleko engathi uhappy nje ukungena amini mangabe phela ngomsebenzi lo ngiqashiwe ukuthiwe dlala lenzima hayi ngizoba happy ngayo nje phela ngiyazi ukuthi egcineni ngiyahola into kanjalo angazi bafethu mhlambe is not that mhlambe nje unkosikazi kababa uMzamseleko nje we do not know so yeah mina ikhona okwenzekile kakhulu ku episode 1 baba uMzamseleko eyohlangana noMakhwela simbona ke enye into engibonile ama diary sessions kakhulu nje uMakhumalo engekho happy ukhuluma ngalokho nalokho and then bese uMangwabe akekho happy bafethu asikhulumeni iqiniso akekho happy as for uMayeni naye usekhaya kwamanje umamkhulu nje ngathi uright umamkhulu ngathi uright wayivele ethi nje yazini lo number 5 mangabe uyafika akavela afike manje ngoba yazini you know what umuntu osevele sethe you know what fuck off akwenzeke lokho kwenzekayo ngumamkhulu ke leyo so sibona ku episode 2 kakhulu ke laphana baba uMzamseleko bamema kamakhosikazi bamemela kuyidina ehambe batshela nje ukuthi unedina uyabamema uma cele ekhanya ngathi hey lamadina wakho bayazi vele ukuthi mase kuthiwa dina uma ungabuze wabuza wathi is it dinner or a meeting ungathi bayazi ukuthi khona kuyokhulunywa ikhona into as long as ethe asihlanganeni ikhona into esiyoyi addressa and abantu abezukuzwana at the end of the day abantu abezukuzwana siyazi vele kunzima bafethu esithenjini ya sibonile bamemile ke sabona ke bengene emotweni koMaKay noMangwabe noMamkhulu hey ithi indaba kaMamkhulu yokuhluleka ukungena emotweni hayi mamkhulu asathi ithanga lami lingaka umlenzi wami ungaka ayi umamkhulu bafethu uyayidinga kodwa imoto emfanele nje inkosi yami imoto ezofuna nje le body yakhe njengoba sefuna imoto enkulu bafethu nje engathi nje ubehluleka nje ukhuphuka nje lapha agibela imoto inkosi yami kodwa ke simbonile ke umamkhulu naye ke eyakwidina masebefikile ke laphena kuyidina sibona ke uMayeni naye eqhamuka ke ngiyakho indlela sishilo sathi she's at home at this particular point so uzileke baba uMzamseleko ayibancoma ke indawo amakhosikazi ancoma indawo nezimbali phela last time sigcine phela bethengele imbali that was a dinner or a meeting whatever you call it kwakuthenge nje imbali like a one bunch of flowers ezaseziyahlephulwa komunye nomunye wathola ingachanga shezimbalo this time around they were impressed but how kwazi kwangcono this time around asihlaphunelwanga because what happened last time so bancoma komunye nomunye uthola imbalo zakhe kwakuhle kwanje ya kuphela nje kukhona nje leya silence nje ukuthi ukhona ozowathi ayiphela sagcina nakudala yabo kudala bengabonani nje physically so uzothini kubani ukukhulumisana nje ukuthi right hayi ngi right nami leyo nto nje after that is silence in court into ezikanjalo bafethu wasekufika ke isikhathi ke eba address baba uMzamseleko ngena bafethu uzobabukisa uthando nesithembu bathi ayikaze yenzeke leyo ubabukisa uthando nesithembu bonke behlangene bewu4 nje bezobheka what has been happening before the faces I'm just looking at the faces yazi ikunalento kaMamkhulu ukuthi uyamazi la umuntu enithi mani buka imovie ebeloke babaza mani yazi uyababaza uyajumpa uyathini enye nenye into ekhulunywayo she's reacting to it yo Mamkhulu she's reacting to everything that is happening there and let me tell you something kwaba khona iphathi where sekudlala ke le aphathi uMpumelelo Mseleko was actually telling abadala ukuthi eseyoganwa into kanjalo bafethu uyogana ke na ekhuluma yakhumbula isikhathi sakhe sokuba indawo zevirgin nje ukuthi okay uzodinga ke ni virgin ke phela uMamkhulu kuzomela be virgin tontoni nokuthi le virgin lele la kwacele yonke leyo nto hayi the jumping of uMamkhulu for me nje umuntu onjalo uyangichaza abuye angangichazi man umuntu ojampa mangabe kudlala istory ebeloke ekhuluma nje about what is happening hayi lokho nalo bayabuka abantu kufuneka silence sibuke ukuthi what is happening on the TV when busy uyajampa uyastolikela futhi nje wenza uMamkhulu she was reacting to everything not her reacting on that part Mpumelelo Mseleko part where he's talking about ukuthi ugele kuzoba ngwakacele she wasn't angry she was just surprised okay uyahleka futhi nje noma reactor she's laughing hi man hayi lokho nalokho, you know what I mean. Manje ke busubuka umama kaMpumelelo, look of my life, the look that she's giving to uMacele ukuthi uyababaza nje ukuthi uMpumelelo uthi uzothatha kwaCele. Uma yena she's giving ke umamkhulu that look ukuthi manje umangazwa yini ke wena, umezothatha kaCele iphi inkinga ke wami phela leyo mntana, yini manje wena ubabaza yini lapha into wrong phela, yo like that look she was just saying all those things. Manje usofuna ukwenzani ngaye wena leyo nto, ubezothatha kwaCele, uzothatha kwaCele phela uyena uma wakhe. Guys, like I laughed a lot, that face yakaMayeni, yo bafethu, that was just a whole lot. I was laughing, you know what I mean. So again, that is the party ke bafethu engiyibonile when it comes to season 1, episode 1, episode 2, no episode 3 ke bafethu. Sizokhuluma kakhulukazi sengicupha ku episode 3 kakhulu, angifuna ukungena kakhulu. What I love about uMangwabe is that uMangwabe uzolikhuluma iqiniso njengoba esesho ke lapha kuma diary sessions ukuthi uMpumelelo uyingane kaMacele. Noma ungayaphi bafethu ukuthi kusesithenjini uMpumelelo unoma wakhe uMayeni kunoma Khumalo kube noMangwabe ngoma bakhe bonke. So uMpumelelo mayethatha kwaCele kuyafana nje lokuthi uthatha ke ingane kaMacele uma wakhe, which is his sister, into kanjalo. For me nje kunjalo bafethu, ngivumela noMangwabe. So angazi uMayeni ngathi bengavumelana omhlambe la she was just surprised by reaction kaMamkhulu, angazi but uMamkhulu bengakwatanga, she was just reacting. Mayibabona izindaba lezi ziyamangaza, uyahleka nje, uyababaza kodwa ukuthi hayi bo umezwa nje ukuthi umntana wakaCele into ezikanjalo bafowethu. So mina bengihlekiswa nje ile ya look ekhulumayo ukuthi manje ke mezothatha kwaCele ufuna ukwenzani ngakho wena. That's what Mayeni was saying deep down, kodwa engakusho nje i-reaction nje when you look at her face, that was she was saying. Siboneke nje idina lapha na iphela ke, sizoqhubeka sikhulume ivideo yethu ingazi yabande kakhulu njengoba ngishilo kathi okunye nokunye ngizokushiya. I can just make another video. So ke yaba bengakaze ngenze i-review yothando nesithembu bafowethu. uMakhumalo she appears to me as unhappy, angazi is it because she's unhappy mhlambe lokho kushiwo ngabalandeli ukuthi sekungene phela intombi encane kunaye, sekukhona uMamthandiwa, there will be changes. Kodwa uthe uMsamseleku akekho unkosikazi special kunabanye, wonke unkosikazi nje special. Ikhona into angayijabulele uMakhumalo, she's a very different Makhumalo, the bubbly Makhumalo, the so loving, happy and helping, and the Makhumalo is just different. There's a part where laphana ke kuma directions where ubaba uMsamseleku was talking to uMakhumalo about uSne, ukuthi uSne wathi uMakhumalo noMangwabe abamthandi. Ikhona into ekhulunywa nje ngoba uMsamseleku nami engayithandanga when addressing uMakhumalo ukuthi uzohlushwa yini kulezi zinto ezikhulunywa ngoSne ngoba uSne vele she's like that. Uthe nje ngathi asithi mzala, ubaba uMsamseleku ushilo uMayeni wathi ubaba uMsamseleku akwazi ukukhuluma. Uthi ke uSne uzomangazwa yini uMakhumalo ngoba phela vele uSne Mseleku ngathi asithi mzala, uzobe dinwa yini nje uSne ezikhulumela nje into ezingathi uhlezi nje ezikhulumela into ezingathi shu nje. Uthi akamzondi umntana kababa uMsamseleku just ukuthi uSne unjalo nje futhi baze badlala naleya part ngesikhathi bebuka uthando nesithembu. I think it's a part where he was going to invite uMamkhulu to the dinner, kunalaba thinte khona ienga kaLwandle ngesikhathi bebuka ngesikhathi kudlala uthando nesithembu. There was a clash of siblings there. Kwakuliwa ngesikhathi uSne Mseleku siyapretendana, you know lento etrendayo ukuthi siyapretendana la, siyapretendana yo the anger yakaLwandle laphana bafowethu bathe ukuyi-addressa uMamkhulu nobaba uMsamseleku. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazoyimela ngeenyawo ukuze bakwazi ukubona ukuthi uLwandle uyakwazi ke ukontrola i-anger yakhe, angaze aba angry ngale ndlela. Sibe sibona nje bephikisana ama siblings kuleya show lapha, sayibona vele before bephikisana, kodwa uLwandle he is very very angry at uSne ngathi angamudla ngamazinyo, very angry. So the parents were addressing that issue ukuthi kuzomela ke bahlale naye phansi bakhulume naye, angazaba naleya anger leya. Nonga ukuthi mangabe impela sokuthiwa nomunye wakhe lapha bephikisana ngale ndlela singaphakama isandla, you know what I mean. So I think njengabazali bazoyi-addressa, but ukuthi baba uMsamseleku athi kuMakhumalo uSne she is ngathi azithi mzala, baba uMsamseleku bashilo nguMayeni bathi vela akakwazi ukukhuluma, ulahla umlomo baba uMsamseleku sometimes. umlomo uyawulahla. And there's a part as well of uma ngabe addressing ubaba uMzamsele ku treating abantwana differently and having abantwana bakaMpumelelo for me vele nami ngibona ebathanda abantwana bakaMpumelelo Msele kudlula ezinye ingane. Angazi if I'm seeing it wrong. I saw mangabe addressing it as well ukuthi mhlambe kungobe zakhe ngezamantombazana, we do not know, but ke i-treatment yabantwana uMsele unayo man i different. Abantwana bakaMpumelelo Msele they are being treated differently and uyayala ukuthi yena ka mistreat ke ingane zikaSinemsele, but still uma ngabe mayesebuka ke esebheka ukuthi nayo izele amantombazana usuke ebona ukuthi kusho ukuthi ingane zakhe nazo ziyophathwa ngendlela ingane zikaSinemsele because mhlambe ngamantombazana we do not know. So that was also addressed during all these episodes uThando neSithembu bafethu. So qhubeka ke sigcwalise kokunye nokunye sizobe sikushile. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video okunye nokunye sizokhuluma ngakho singenza video izibende kakhulu umuntu azabhoreke while watching the video. So yeah man, thank you so much ukuthi ubuke this particular one. I will come back with yet another review. I love you so much. Please do like the video, subscribe, share, siphinde sibonane kwenye landelayo. Bye.